two different types of AI. Predictive, using historical data, so no fresh data, using historical data, doing a better job, perhaps, certainly that we can, of processing that data and making a prediction for the future, like the Netflix viewing habits. Generative AI, using lots of that data, but actually creating new information. So we're going to go through some examples of that. But any of the ChatGPT or Google's version Bard, where you are actually seeing in the moment generated content, that's generative AI. The response is not just making a prediction based on historical, it's creating new information by pulling together lots of different perspectives. I think it's irresponsible for us to talk about AI without mentioning some of the limitations, and I think this is a rapidly evolving field. I work for a company called Google, which is at the forefront of investment in AI, and we're loud and constantly saying that we think AI should be regulated, and we're part of so many different communities with other tech companies and with governments in order to endeavour for it to be appropriately regulated. Why? Because models using AI can hallucinate and make incorrect judgments, especially if the data that they're running on is not sufficient. Our models rely on quality and neutrality of data. And when we're interacting with AI, such as ChatGPT, it's on the input responsibility not to use confidential data because that's actually going to potentially lead to a data breach. So there are watch-outs. There are watch-outs in all of these aspects.